Welcome back, guys. I'm here with ISEE here once more. Listen, they have become one of my fave because they have upgraded their wigs tremendously. Like, it's just always a great time whenever I go ahead and I install one of their wigs. So anyways, it's the same packaging that I've been getting since recently, and everything is branded. It's so cute. So this is the wig that we're working with today, which I'm gonna get into in a bit. So for the goodies that I got today, yeah, I got like this sleeping mask. You put it over your eyes. It's so cute. You know, their theme here is always pink, so everything comes really girly and pink. I got another pack. I got another pack of these gorgeous lashes. Okay, that's cute. I also got this booklet. It has everything in there, all the information you need to know in terms of cashback and how to care for your wig and all that good stuff. All of that is listed in there along with your social media information. I got a branded elastic headband, and then lastly a ISEE bonnet. This is the wig that we're working with today. It is so gorgeous. This is a loose wavy texture. It's so full. This is actually 26 inches long when stretched. You can definitely see it's so full. Oh my god, ISEE here be bringing, oh my gosh, they be bringing such top quality. Look at that. I love a good loose deep wave texture. So nice. So this is actually a 13x4 lace front. All right, it is already pre-bleached. It has a total of 4 combs on the inside of the cap and adjustable straps on the inside here. It looks very nice. There's also adjustable straps in the back, so you have a lot of security. And it is a medium cap that I have. I'm just adjusting my elastic band because I like when my wig is really nicely snugged. And this is also removable, so do note that. Let me show you. The front is nicely pre-plucked. It's so gorgeous, really gorgeous. Like, immediately to how realistic and just well graduated the hairline looks, I would do like a pullback vibe with this. It's so beautiful. So yeah, that's it. It's a 1B color as well. So now that we got through that, let me go ahead and jump into this quick install. Guys, this feels so nicely snugged on my head. So all I'm gonna go ahead and do is pretty much cut away the excess around the ears. So I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the extra lace before I even get started into applying the adhesive. I'm just gonna use some spray today, and I'm just gonna cut away the excess lace in a zigzag motion. Like, this lace looks so undetectable. It's really realistic looking. Like, I love that. I could rock it glueless. Like, I would just have to probably tack the sides. I'm just gonna lightly spray it though. I'm not gonna apply a whole bunch of adhesive to it. So I'm just going in with my Red by Kiss Styler Fixer Lace Bond Spray. Like, I really don't need to apply a lot of adhesive to the lace because it looks so bomb. gonna do no swoops. I'm just gonna give you guys, because I know how much you guys love. A lot of you be like, better without the swoops, better without the baby. Yeah, okay. Just had that meltdown. I feel so good about this. I can't already tell you guys, 10 out of 10, highly recommend. You guys see how snug this wig is to my head? Like, minimal effort with applying the adhesive. I don't remember if I told you guys the density of the wig, but everything, the specifications will be listed down below. But this is super full. The wig is super full, man. I really feel like I want to give like a pull back, like kind of vibe. I don't know, that's how I feel. I don't know, like pull back and just like, yeah, you know, it's giving red carpet, kind of sexy beachy vibe. Love that. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of my wax stick to, you know, pull the hair back. And as I said, it's a 13x4. Most of the depth, as I show you guys, is in the middle, and it's more like a 13x2 on the sides. It's not as deep, so I mean, yeah, today we can switch it up and not do a part. I'm gonna just take my water and kind of just spritz it down and do that pull back vibe. The hair is so full. This would be gorgeous if you want to do like a super voluminous look with it too. Yeah, this is so good. This is so good. You can't tell me nothing. Immaculate. I see here, you did it again. You keep on winning my heart. What? I tell myself that for this year, I want to be rocking an ISEE hair wig in the Christmas season, because it's just like their quality is giving top tier. Because you guys, I said Christmas season because you guys know Christmas is my favorite season of the entire year. Okay, yeah. Oh my gosh, let me know what you guys think. I 20 out of 10 recommend this. Highly recommend. Shedding minimal, okay, minimal. The hair is very soft and very full. Okay, it's now in a very wet state, so that's why it looks like it, but you saw it in its dry state. Oh my gosh, and you can see that it's definitely 26 inches once you wet it, but once dried it will, you know, bounce up and get more voluminous. Oh my gosh, it is giving. No swoops, no baby hairs. I just use a little bit of my spray here for installation. 10 across the board. No, for real. Yeah, it's a done deal. It's gorgeous. It's amazing. It's everything great. But yeah, that's it for today's wig install, guys. This is it for today's wig look. I want you guys to go ahead on my description box. That's where the direct link to this wig will be. Alright, all the specifications will be listed down there as well. Any deals, you know, any discount code, any of that, if that's available, that will be in my description box as well. So I need you guys to go ahead and check that out, because I see here they definitely understand what's up. They know, like they really do. But yeah, that's it for today's wig look, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and be up on yourself.